while Francesco is coming to stage, I want to ask you to imagine you're deaf. Imagine the discussion you just had with the barman, or at the beginning when you came in and you gave your jacket. Imagine you were deaf, and of course you spoke sign language, but he or she probably didn't. And with that problem, so I'll give you the keys. Otherwise I can.
Good evening. My aim is to give voice to voices.
Good evening all, I'm Francesco Pezzuoli, CEO of LiMiX, and we work for deaf people. For deaf people, we mean people that don't have the gift of voice nor hearing. Anyway, they are able to understand us through lip reading. There are about 70 million deaf people worldwide. Due to their communication problems, it is difficult for them to develop normal social and working relationships. Another problem is that we don't know how many sign languages are present in the world today. For example, just in Rome, in Italy, we have 10 different dialects. Our mission is to let deaf people be understood. You may have heard about the so-called text-to-speech applications, where the user, in this case the deaf person, puts a text inside a text box, and when he finishes, he presses a button, and the smartphone will start a speech synthesis process that will talk on behalf of the deaf. This solution was not so graceful for us, so we decided to develop Talking Hands. Talking Hands is a wearable device that translates your sign language in voice in real time. You can create your own sign language, associating to each gesture whatever you want. Now, actually, we have a final prototype. We'll have the final product ready for mass production this June. After that, we will start to testing this product with the deaf community. And we will have a final release of Talking Hands in March 2019. We have a patent on our glove and a copyright on our gesture recognition algorithm. We use an intellectual property business model where LiMiX develops technology and sells it to license it to industrial partners. We already found a partner for the production. We have to find a partner for the commercialization. An ideal partner will be an Italian ampliphone, for example. Talking Hands can be sold at 600 euros, like a good smartphone. But we give the independence to these people to go to work at a post office, for example, or go to the doctor and talk with him independently. And we have a 70 million people market. Aiming just to the 1%, we are pessimistic, asking 40 euros of royalties per Talking Hands, we can raise in the first 2 years, for example, 28 million euros. We are a young team. There is me, I am the CEO with Dario. We are mainly software engineers, mathematicians, and computational designers. LiMiX has founding partners too, like ETA SRL, which works in the automotive field. US SPA from Rome is a huge holding company that works in aerospace. And we have Unicam, the University of Camerino. We are a spin-off of this university. We started many collaboration with No Studio Design, which do product design, Acme Lab do hardware, and the last but not least, of course, with ENS, the National Deaf Association in Italy, and with ISS Magarotto of Rome, the only one public European school for deaf. Both of them give us the initial requirements for the development of Talking Hands, and will be the main testers for the testing phase, the main actor for the testing phase. In future, we will have the possibility to enter in new markets using the same technology. For example, our gesture recognition algorithm in the automotive field, or in the home automation system, in the ambient assisted living, or in the gaming market, especially in the augmented reality. Till now, we raised 135,000 euros with a 0% of equity. The main prize we won was the Rome Prize at Mega Fair in Rome on the 2016, and we presented our idea at TEDx Brescia and received Arrow certification badge from Arrow Electronics, one of the 540 in the world, that says that our product is feasible for mass production. So we are asking for more funds because we don't want that talking ends will remain just a beautiful idea or a prototype, but we want to make it real. Starting delivery besides social impact technology to break communication barriers.
I have done. Thank you.
Thank you.